And hopefully there's not a water line right here. Fella, feel so bad for him. It's trying to rain, babe. We don't need that today. We got too much to do.
I know.
And I cannot wait to see this.
I gotta put, who's gonna be, I think it actually goes this way. Who's gonna be the Tribune?
The lucky chicken.
We know
Who's
who it's
going?
gonna be.
Yeah, it's gonna be Tess. She's the only one we can catch. Hey, you can put Timmy in there. He's easy to catch. I know. Yeah.
That would be a good idea. Because then we could take Timmy around.
Yeah.
So he could see the world.
Yeah.
Because he's kind of stuck right now.
He is kind of stuck. So we're gonna do an update on Timmy. He's still not doing well. I think his back may be broken. It's been about 3 days since the last video, and he still hasn't gained mobility in his hind legs. So not exactly sure what we're gonna do there, but we're gonna install, if it don't pour down rain on us, we're gonna install a worm, what's this thing called? A worm tower.
Worm tower.
So you dig a hole. We got the power planter out. I'm gonna dig a hole, set this down in there. You feed your organic scraps in there. Worms come up through these little holes, eat the stuff, and fertilize the soil for you. And I think the guys are hungry.
Let's feed them.
Let's feed them. And there, I say let's go ahead and put the worm tower right here. That way it can feed this rose and this hibiscus. Then we can kind of move it around the yard too in spots that aren't doing so good. And we'll just keep moving. Every time I film.
Cluck Norris.
We'll just keep moving it around.
He has opinions.
He does have opinions. And hopefully there's not a water line right here. That's my luck.
Most likely will be.
Love this dang thing right here. All right, let me see the tower. I don't know how deep it's actually got to go. I guess probably about like that right there. That way the holes are only just a couple of inches below the soil. Then you just remove this, put your scraps down there, and the worms will fertilize a good little circumference area, or at least that's
the hopes
that's
and
the
dreams.
plans anyway.
Okay.
And fill the dirt back in around it.
Cluck Norris, what do you think?
He thinks he wants to be loud today.
I know. He's like, I want the worms to come.
Yeah, he does. Okay, now I tell you what, let's go ahead. I'll take the pitchfork. We'll grab some already active compost out of our big old bin right here. Hey, that'll be a nice little snack for the worms. You want to take a bite before?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let them have it all. Here, you want me to hold it?
Yeah, if you will.
Yum.
Good stuff. So if we dig down in this pile, we can go ahead and get some of the microbes that are active and already working this compost and pre-inoculate. You know I like to use my big words.
I know.
Pre-inoculate our little worm tower.
What does pre-inoculate mean?
So we're just adding active bacteria. So we're just including the bacteria that's already in here into our pipe over there, our tower, so that they have a jump start. Natural bacteria is already in there, but this is already like the heat's coming off of it. They're working, so this will help get it a jump start.
Pre-inoculate. We can use that 5 times in a sentence today.
Oh
Make
man,
it part of our vocabulary.
I got to be careful because some of this is from the
Rose.
citrus
Oh,
out in the aviary.
That's a stab danger.
Oh, that's hot.
It's been working like you said. Want the nanner?
Yep, let's throw the nanner in there. There you go, worms.
Enjoy.
All right, now we'll just keep adding our scraps as we get them out of the kitchen. And the worms have got their own little Las Vegas buffet.
Love it. Hot and ready.
Hot and ready. And guys, since this is so hot right now, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this compost pile because it is really working. I cut the bottom out of this large plastic drum, so hopefully if we wiggle it a little bit, dig a nice level spot right here, we can put the container there and then just simply throw the stuff back in, turning it essentially upside down and incorporating the bottom into the top and mixing it all together. Alrighty, well I got my aerobic workout for the day. Well, this is gonna make us some dang good compost fertilizer here in about another month or so when spring really rolls around. But right now we got a thunder boomer that is headed this way, so we better catch Sarah a chicken for her little chicken backpack, and then we gotta go check on Timmy. Timmy, how you doing, buddy? Still not getting around too good, huh? Well, at least you're sitting up, you little buddy. The bump's still there on his back. It's not as bad. He's not filthy anymore, and he can get around because he gets to his water and to his food. And we picked him some fresh turnip greens out of the garden yesterday. He's got his alfalfa hay, so he's got everything he needs here. We just need a miracle so that Timmy can be mobile again.
Fresh treats. That's right, baby. Fresh treats.
Poor fella. Feel so bad for him. Maybe we will have a miracle and it'll fuse back together and he can at least hop around a little bit, because he is sitting up though. I mean, so that's better. But he's still having to kind of drag his hind legs behind him, and I feel sorry for him. So just gonna have to hurry up and wait. All right, you ready, chicken lady?
Let's go catch us a chicken.
Let's go catch us a chicken. We gotta hang some Sarah's chicken art up down here. I'll tell you what, these chickens got it better than we do, I think.
They're living their best life.
They are that. All right, Timmy, you rest, buddy. We'll see you later. Poor little dude. I feel so bad for him. I don't want him to suffer, but I don't want to give up on him either. It's only been, like I say, 4 or 5 days now since we found him like that, so I don't know how much longer to give it, honestly, but don't want to give up hope on the little guy. Oh, this ought to be real funny.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just purchased this off of Amazon.
Now, are you going to catch the chicken, or do I have to catch the chicken?
Well, I'm gonna hold the bag.
Oh.
This is
which means I gotta catch the
you're
chicken.
better at it.
Uh-huh.
You're just
The old "you're better at it than me" trick.
lure her in. Hey, girls.
She knows I'm up to something.
Mm-hmm.
Who wants to take a ride in Mom's backpack? You?
Not Weezer.
Yeah.
Maine.
Weezer should be a good one.
She didn't love that.
Usually she's a lot more tamer, but Primo's got the.
Yeah. So there's a lot
How does
happening.
this thing work?
I think you put her little feet in there. Obviously.
Oh, Tess, you're gonna love this.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. I got one little chicken foot. Okay. And then we're just gonna.
Hang on, we gotta get her other foot out.
Is there? Oh, yeah. Work it on out. Oh yeah, she's loving this. She's
Yeah.
calm. Is there other little foot? Yeah, Tess.
I ain't never seen such.
Is-
Oh my goodness. That is too funny, Sarah.
That's the cutest little
Tess,
thing.
do you love it? Oh yeah, she loves it.
I speak chicken, and that means she loves it.
That's hilarious.
All right. Oh, we're gonna go.
We're gonna go on a little yard tour.
Yeah. We're just gonna go around. Right. Come on. Taking my chicken.
All right. Well,
Not to market.
you girls have fun.
Bye.
See ya.
All right. Let's go look at stuff.
What have I created?